The BMW M5 has always stood as the benchmark of performance sedans, but with the launch of the latest generation, BMW took things even further, packing a hybridized 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8, producing an impressive 717 horsepower and 737 pound-feet of torque. The factory version is already a monster, capable of embarrassing supercars. Yet, for German tuner Manhart, that wasn't enough. The result? The MH5 900E, a tuned M5 that pushes performance to almost unthinkable levels. Manhart has built a reputation as one of the go-to names for BMW tuning, and with this project, they've truly outdone themselves. The tuner upgraded the M5's twin-turbo V8 with enhanced turbochargers and installed its proprietary MHtronik powerbox, boosting output to a staggering 897 horsepower and 885 pound-feet of torque. To complement this power increase, Manhart fitted a stainless steel exhaust system with adjustable valves and race-spec downpipes, ensuring not just enhanced performance, but also a deeper, angrier soundtrack. Although acceleration numbers haven't been revealed, it's clear that this tuned M5 is significantly faster than the already blistering stock version. With nearly 900 horsepower under the hood, suspension upgrades were essential. The MH5 900E comes with lowering springs as standard, but customers can also opt for KW Variant 4 colloids, delivering precise handling and adjustability. BMW's carbon ceramic brakes are retained for their immense stopping power, though Manhart also offers aftermarket options for those seeking a more bespoke setup. To keep this power on the road, Manhart equips the M5 with forged wheels measuring 22 by 10.5 at the front and 22 by 11.5 at the rear, wrapped in 295 by 30 and 315 by 30 performance tires. Customers can also choose an alternative setup with 21 by 10.5 fronts and 22 by 11.5 rears, paired with slightly different tire dimensions. Whichever setup is chosen, grip and stability are guaranteed, ensuring this sedan performs like a supercar on both road and track. The MH5 900E doesn't just perform like a beast, it looks the part too. Manhart adds a suite of carbon fiber aerodynamic parts, including a new spoiler lip, canards, diffuser, and side skirts. These upgrades enhance both style and functionality, improving downforce and reducing drag. Adding to the unique look are champagne-colored decals, though their boldness may divide opinion among enthusiasts. What makes the Manhart MH5 900E so special is its ability to combine everyday practicality with outrageous performance. It retains the luxurious cabin and usability of a BMW M5 while offering nearly 900 horsepower, something that was once reserved for hypercars. With this package, Manhart has redefined what a super sedan can be, proving that there are still no limits when it comes to pushing German engineering to the edge. For enthusiasts who believe the standard M5 isn't enough, the MH5 900E represents the pinnacle of tuning artistry and raw performance. It's not just a car, it's a statement, one that says even the best can be made better.